Have you ever wondered why someone can be surrounded by people, yet still feel completely alone? Sometimes loneliness doesn't begin when you lose someone. It begins when the conversations slowly disappear. When the laughter becomes rare. And when "I'm busy" quietly replaces "How was your day?" Family distance rarely happens overnight. It grows one missed phone call, one cancelled visit, one unspoken feeling at a time. And over the years, that emotional distance can leave invisible scars. A little boy learns that no one has time to hear his fears, so he stops talking. A teenage girl smiles at school, posts happy pictures online, but cries in her room because she feels invisible in her own home. A young man works long hours, chasing success, yet eats dinner alone almost every night, wondering why achievement still feels empty. A husband and wife share the same house, but not the same conversations. Weeks pass without asking each other, "Are you really okay?" A mother spends years putting everyone else first, until one day she realizes no one asks how she's doing. A father quietly carries every responsibility, while hiding the exhaustion he doesn't know how to explain. And an older grandfather sits beside the window every evening, not waiting for a gift, not waiting for money, just hoping the phone will ring. Different ages, different lives, but often the same silent pain. Psychology research suggests that long-term loneliness is associated with a greater risk of depression, anxiety, chronic stress, sleep difficulties, and emotional burnout. Researchers also believe that meaningful family and social connections play an important role in protecting our mental and emotional well-being. The human heart doesn't simply need food or success. It needs to feel seen. It needs to feel heard. It needs to know, "I matter to someone." Without that feeling, many people begin blaming themselves. They wonder, "Maybe I'm too difficult to love. Maybe nobody really needs me." But loneliness has a way of whispering lies that feel like truth. The good news is, those lies don't have to become your future. Sometimes healing begins with something incredibly small. A 5-minute phone call. A sincere hug. A message that simply says, "I was thinking about you today." You never know what battle someone is fighting behind a quiet smile. The person who says they're fine may be carrying a heart full of silent pain. So before this day ends, reach out to someone you love. Listen without rushing. Forgive if you can. And remind the people who matter most that they are not forgotten. Because families are not held together by perfect lives. They are held together by consistent love, honest conversations, and showing up for each other, even in ordinary moments. And if you're watching this while feeling alone, please hear this. Your value has never been measured by how many people call you, how many messages you receive, or how many people remember your birthday. You are still worthy of love. You are still important. And this season of loneliness does not have to be the final chapter of your story. Sometimes, hope returns with one conversation, one act of kindness, and one person willing to say, "You don't have to carry this alone."